Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify Starter Plan. Let's get started. So in here, you have here a Shopify dashboard. So when you try to create a new store, they will automatically give you a 3-day free trial, as you can see right here. So in here, you have here the option to click on the select plan right here. So from in there, just click on select plan. And then in here, you should be able to see this right here, which is the basic Shopify as well as the advanced. So if you're just starting in Shopify, you need to make sure that you understand all of these plans right here. So if you're only one on your team, for example, you're the only one managing your business, then this basic thing is for you. So if you have a team of 2 or 5 people on your team, then in here, you need to make sure to choose the Shopify. But if you have a large organization, then you need to choose this advanced right here, which is this is for your business scales. So we need to see what this specific plans entails. So in here on the basic, you have here the world's best converting checkout. You also have this on Shopify as well as advanced. But in here, we also need this. As you can see, you have here the standard analytics as well as the Shopify right here, but this has some custom reports and analytics that you can choose from. You can also see here that they have 24/7 chat support, while this advanced have an enhanced 24/7 chat support. You can also see here that they have localized global selling. This also have that. And while this has an advanced or added global customization for $59 per month per market. And in here, you can see this only offers one account, while this have 5, and this has 15 additional. So you need to choose which one suits you the best. So if you're the only one managing your products, then it makes sense to purchase this or this right here, depending on your budget. But if you're only one, you don't need to purchase this one if you do, because this actually has a lot of sub-accounts that you can choose from. But if you don't mind spending the extra bucks, as we can see, on the first month, it will be $1 first. But on the second month, it will be $19, $49, and $299. So there's a big difference between $299 and $19. So choose wisely, because this $1 right here are just promotional lists. So when you scroll down, you can see the full list of features. Now, what I recommend you to just click on this only show differences. And in here, you can see that if you pay monthly, it will be $25. If you pay monthly on this advance, it will be $399. There's a lot of difference when you pay monthly and pay yearly, because you can save up to 25% of your current plan. So in here, they have here the common features, which in turn have the live chat, and this one has enhanced live chat. This one has standard analytics and all of these things right here. This one has API access, while this one only had the standards. And you can see the difference right here in the transaction fees. So the basic plan has 2%, the Shopify plan has 1%, while the advanced plan has 0.6%. This is actually very big if you have a lot of orders. Like for example, you sold around 100,000, the Shopify will have a transaction fee of $2,000, while this one only has $600. So just choose wisely on that. You can also see here the localized selling with custom markets, because you can actually do this on international. And you can also see this in-person selling. As you can see on the basic, they don't allow that, while on this one, they allow this. So you can also see what every plan gets you and more ways to sell for starter, retail, and plus. So in here, if you click on starter right here, this is for selling on social. So if you click on the select starter, you can see that you can have limited online store, and they will prompt you to actually buy this. So it only costs $5 per month. So let's see what it has for us. So let's try to see. On the starter, you can start selling in social. In here, you can sell at retail stores. Plus, have more complex businesses. And in here, you have limited online store, 2 inventory indications, and POS type. So you can search or you can sell in here for 2 locations only. You can also see where the frequently asked questions for you. And as you can see, the Plus has a lot of advantages. But if you're just leaning towards starter, then this one is for you because this actually gets you what you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.